Seriously, it looks like Avatar, don't you think?
Yeah, it does look like.
Both movies. Welcome to Hong Island. In today's video, we'll take you on an amazing boat tour of the stunning Hong Island. A much overlooked destination in this region of Thailand, but with absolutely breathtaking landscapes and crystal clear waters, we really think you should know about it. We'll provide a detailed breakdown of the tour costs and evaluate if the experience is really worth it. Let's get started. We chose to book the Hong Island tour because it was less crowded than the other ones available to us. We secured a private longtail boat specifically for us and B's parents. The cost was 3,800 baht for 4 people, amounting to around $50 per couple through Krabi Nemo Travel Tour. The package included pickup at our hotel, a guide, a longtail boat for the 4 of us, fresh fruits and lunch, but additionally we did have to pay an extra 300 baht each for the national park fee. So we started our journey. What's funny is you can see it's like all the traffic getting released from a red light as all the boats sort of come out of the harbour in the middle of that bay. It's so pretty. We are at our first stop in Hong Island.
Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
The day is beautiful today, so we're very glad.
Alright, so you're happy with your decision to come here instead of PP Island?
Yeah, this is our first stop and it's already stunning. The water is so beautiful, so many fishes we can see. It's just like really amazing. It's paradise.
and there's just not many people.
No,
There's people, but it's not crowded, remotely
it's not crowded
crowded.
at all.
No.
Yeah, no, it's not crowded at all. You can see random people in random areas, but really, look, no one's behind us, no one's really in front of us, so that's great. And the water is so nice and green, like turquoise. Yeah, very beautiful.
Yeah.
Apparently they have like 2 different beaches, kind of. One which is the one that we arrive with the boats, and I think people doesn't usually swim there too much. And right now we can see the other beach.
The bay, yeah.
Yeah, the bay where we can go and swim, and really, I'm so excited to go there now because it's so hot.
Alright, so now the sea is at low tide, so we can't really go in the water or do too much swimming. So what we're going to do instead is go up to a 360-degree viewing point and take in the scenery around. We might then do a trail. I don't know. We got the boat privately for this reason, so that we can sort of chill and do whatever we wanted. Not in a rush, and that's what we're going to do now.
Yeah, time to explore. Wow, is this saying it's 45 minutes to get there? But we saw one video saying it's
Yeah, shout out
less.
to jumping places. It's not going to be 45 minutes. It's going to be 10 to 15. But
so.
still got to put our shoes on.
Well, someone just came and said, no,
Yeah.
this is 15 minutes,
Yeah,
bro.
he heard us saying, oh, maybe it's 45 minutes.
It's
He's
15.
like, no, 15 minutes.
Perfect. 9:55 now. Let's see how long do it take. Exactly 15 minutes.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
With
the
lots of
stops.
stops to take
Yeah.
pictures. Wow.
Stunning.
Bloody hell. Seriously, it looks like Avatar, don't you think?
Yeah. It
So-
does look like.
Both movies. Just less blue people. is where we just were. Here. We came from somewhere over there. They're posing for photos. Look at all these. Different islands. So many little pretty islands. It's now what, 11:30?
Yeah, 11:45.
11:45, and because of that, just how much busier the beach is now.
Yeah, much easier, but also the tide is higher as well, so now we can proper swim and snorkeling, so that's cool.
But it's only a little bit higher, but it's just so full of people. Also, what are we gonna do?
We're gonna go to the lagoon.
Ooh, the other side.
Yeah, I don't know if the other side is around here. We're gonna go there, see if we can stop the boat, jump in the water.
Let's go.
Let's see how it goes.
This part is pretty hectic. Is that a fella? We have to just give them the name of our boat, maybe the number, and then they scream it out over the megaphone. And hopefully our guy arrives.
Is not him there? Is one here?
No. No. Here's our guy.
Excited.
I thought we were going to stop at that beach there, but it turns out that you go in a little bit and then out of nowhere appears this just beautiful lagoon and a few other boats, but it looks so pretty. It's so, you said this is our avatar now.
Yeah.
The whole lagoon is less than a meter of depth, so you can just walk around the whole thing. And once all the engines are off, wow. Very beautiful all around, 360 view. We have a cloud in the sky. What a day!
Yeah, this day is perfect.
All right, now we're on our second island, Lao Lading. Even smaller than Hong Island and even more remote, but with that being said, there is still a restaurant slash cafe slash shop here. So we got a Coke, and now we're gonna have our lunch that we ordered through the boat tour company. Relax on this beach because it is absolutely beautiful. Again, it's kind of busy, but it's not like disturbingly busy. It's so pretty. So we're gonna enjoy here for a few hours, I think. Well, that beach was very pretty. I like that the sand is all covered, so it's, you know, you're not taking in too much sun, but then a beautiful sort of green aqua water and full of fish, decently sized, swimming all around you, which makes for a cool experience for sure. But no snorkeling yet. I think that's coming up, but a good time to relax, a good place to relax. It looks, if you film it now, it looks kind of busy. But it doesn't feel busy. It doesn't feel like a busy beach at all. And that's because I guess we're on a completely remote island. So had our lunch, had some time to relax, and we'll move on. A couple other features about these islands. They all have like mini bathrooms in there, which all have toilets and showers, somewhat plumbed in. This one doesn't have a guy that shouts over the megaphone, but because everyone's parked sort of around and it's smaller, I think he just saw us, but then you were there. But anyway, he's seen it. We're here now. So now he's here to pick us up.
just arrived at Lao Lading Island. I will correct the name if I'm wrong. It's so cool because you can just now, like, he just stopped the boats here. Like other people has some boats as well. And I think you're just gonna go and do some snorkeling now, which we're very excited to do it. And you kind of jump in the water and it's quite deep. So I think it's gonna be very nice. I'll be very excited for this one. This island looks absolutely beautiful.
Divers.
Mãe, você tem que ter coragem. Vai, mãe. Pula, mãe. Aí.
This trip has ended up being a little bit different because instead of just like normal snorkeling, we've done an on-the-fly swimming lesson with Bee's mum, who's learning how to swim with her life jacket. She's afraid she's going to tip over.
How's the snorkeling going?
Good. You think there's not much, and then you get close down to the bottom and there's loads.
Loads, yeah.
Loads, like a little city down there. That's nice.
Yeah, I think this was the best part of this whole tour.
Yeah?
Till now, yeah. You don't think?
Maybe. Could be. There you go now.
I think so. So this was our tour to Hong Island, and that was very cool. We really enjoyed. To be honest, I thought we're gonna spend more time and going to see more place. Like now it's like 3:20, 3:30. I thought we we're gonna arrive here just at 5, but well, I'm dead already. That was very, very nice and tiring.
Yeah.
We were swimming and again the sun, but it really was very cool.
I thought that. I thought, like, we could have, like, you wanted to stay longer, but we're all very tired. We had a full day of stuff, so I don't see, like, it's not a complaint really, it's just not what you expected,
yeah.
right? But overall, a very great experience. No, our boat driver was nice and friendly, trying to communicate with him. We wanted to jump off in the middle of the sea. Actually, you wanted to jump off in the middle of the sea. He wouldn't let us, but that was fine. We got the communication down, but he was very nice. They got us pineapple, and now they're telling us to go. So we gotta go. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Give it a thumbs up.
Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.